Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. In today's video, I am part of the Talented Creators collaboration. As host, we have DIY with Aurea and Lonely Disc Creations. I am your guest host and happy to share my angelic DIY with you. The links to the channels and the playlist will be in the description box. For this DIY, we will use a brass ring. This one came from Dollar Tree, and I will use the largest one. A wooden tray like this as a base. We will need a lot of greenery. I pull out different pieces to see the different options. 3 acrylic snowflakes and an angel. Let's get started. We will have to cut the brass ring. I will do this in my garage and show you in a moment. Next, I will find the middle points on both ends of the wooden tray and do some markings. Now, I will drill holes using my handheld drill to insert the brass ring. Using E6000 glue, I will attach the ends of the ring and let it dry for 24 hours. It is time to attach all that greenery to the centerpiece using green wire. I want to thank all my subscribers for their support. It means a lot to me. If you are new, welcome. I hope you are enjoying this video. I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. As you can see here, I decided to use neutral tones, and I will be covering about half of the ring. I will attach white ball fillers to bring light and contrast to the centerpiece. Next, I will be hanging the 3 acrylic snowflakes using clear thread. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this Christmas centerpiece? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you until the next one.